Can this CISA 220 stand up for itself? Let's find out. Hello, and welcome back to LockLab 101. What we have today is a CISA 220. It's a small little lock. Pretty good little package there. The numbers down here, the 220 is the model number. The 10 is the diameter of the shackle. And it's a 30 millimeter lock body. CISA has always been a pretty good lock for me. Let's see how this little lock here stands up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and single pin pick this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scope it. So I have 4 pins, and on pin 3 I see the break between the spring pin and the key pin. So for sure number 3 is going to be a very low cut. Okay, so let's get this thing in the vise. Okay, here we go. We're going to use top of the keyway tension. Okay, let's get started. Pull that tension tool out a little bit so it doesn't interfere with pin 1. Let me come up to the top of pin 1, and I always like to find the exact top dead center before I lift it. Okay, I think pin 1's set. Let's go to 2. Let me come back out. Okay, let me get 2. Okay, I believe 2 is probably set. Let me go to 3. A little bit of movement on 3. Interesting. 4. Okay. Oh, there. I always thought there was. I didn't think the CISA 220 had spools, but that looked a lot like a spool. Let's see if we have any counter rotation. All right, re-identified, get a top dead center, and we have, I think we have some counter rotation here. That's feeling a lot like a spool. So I think we have a spool on pin 3. All right, let me come back. And let me get to 4. Let's counter. Okay, there we go. Boom. All right, that was right on. Yeah, definitely a spool on pin 3 though. Okay. Well, I tell you what, the CISA 220 is advertised as not having any security pins. But it kind of felt like there may have been a spool in there, because I saw some pretty heavy counter rotation. Interesting. Maybe they do have some security pins in there. I thought I felt a spool in there. I'm pretty impressed with this little lock. It seems to be very well built. I think I would. I'd put that on my toolbox. Here's the key we have, and you can see the 4 cuts there. Pin 1 and pin 3, very, very shallow, and then 2 and 4 a little bit higher. The CISA 220 is advertised as not having spools, medium light duty, but there was enough counter rotation there. I would have to, without knowing better, I'd think there was a spool in there. I try not to look at the key before I pick a lock, just because you get more out of it. Okay, but anyway, here's the key here. Okay, well, that's all I have today. If you enjoyed it, please consider watching my other videos, like and subscribe, and as always, thank you very much.